left. But for now, enjoy the rest of the flight.
vanuit cockpit gezagvoerder. Mijn naam is Joris Schonebeek. Naast mijn co-piloot Ronnie Koekhoven en de gehele man. Ik wens u een hartelijk welkom aan boord deze Embraer 175 met bestemming Leeds. Your passengers, very good afternoon. From the flight deck captain, my name is Joris Schonebeek. On behalf of the first officer Ronnie Koekhoven and the entire crew, we welcome you aboard this Embraer 175 for destination Leeds. We depart a couple of minutes after our scheduled departure time today. After pushback was quite a long taxi out towards the departure runway. Departure was initially to the north with a left turnout towards Leeds. And due to the tailwinds today and a short flying time of 45 minutes, I expect an on-time arrival into Leeds. During the descent, I will come back to you with the latest flight and weather information. For now, I wish you a pleasant flight.
The film that you've just watched is a Moss Travel Media production, and you can find more like them by going to www.mosstravel.tv. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel and watching my film. It's hugely appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss. Hit the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you hit the bell, then you'll also get notifications about any future travel films which I upload. If you like my travel films, then you might also like my second channel, which is about home and garden. Please have a look for that channel. You'll find it at www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk, and if you like what you see, please give that a subscribe also. If you'd like to connect with me as Moss Travel Media on other social media, then you'll find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Moss Travel. That's the page. And if you'd like to connect with the profile, then the profile is Moss Travelog. If you'd like to connect with me on Instagram to see my travel photography, where I'm up to, what stories I'm telling, then go to instagram.com/StuMoss or do a search for user Stu Moss. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, I'm at MossTravelTV. On Pinterest, I'm Moss Travel Media, which is pinterest.co.uk/MossTravelTV. On Tumblr, I'm stuartmoss.tumblr.com, or just do a search for Moss Travel Tumblr. On WordPress, I'm wordpress.com/view/MossTravelTV.wordpress.com, or do a search for Moss Travel Media on WordPress. And on vContactor, you can find me by going to vk.com/Moss Travel Media, or doing a search for Stuart Moss. If you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on mosstraveltv@gmail.com. And once again, thank you for watching and for your support. I really do appreciate it. I wish you all the best of days, happy travels and bon voyage.